Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Here's my outfit of the day. We went from like freezing cold temperatures like minus 20 last week to back to like plus 4. So I'll take it. Today's task, clean the bathroom and clean the oven. I don't think out of the entire like 22 to 23 years of the stove existing in our house that it's ever been cleaned. I'm sure it was with like Easy Off back in the day. So firstly, I'm gonna attempt a steamer. My mom's letting me borrow hers. The issue is when I was making cake the other day, the oil that I used to grease my cake pan leaked out of the bottom of the cake pan. So a bunch of oil leaked out onto the bottom of the oven. So every time we turn the oven on, our apartment gets extremely smoky. So I'm using that as my motivation to clean the whole oven. So let me just change into a more appropriate outfit because I don't want to get my new sweater dirty and gross and ruined. Okay, this is the oil issue I'm talking about, but also like this is it's just caked on. Like it's not that bad, but oh. Okay, steamer didn't really get a lot. It did from in there. Like, ew. But now I'm doing a baking soda water slurry and it's gonna sit for 30 minutes and then I will put vinegar and wipe it up. But while that sits, MJ and I are gonna go clean the bathroom because I don't trust her to leave her alone in here with that open. I have this cleaner that was like pretty natural, but not as natural as I want to be. And there was like barely anything left in there, so I just dumped it out so I can make my own all-purpose cleaner. So I took the label off, cleaned the container. We are gonna write all-purpose cleaner pet safe on it. Pet safe. And we're gonna make one. It's super easy. It's literally water, vinegar, and essential oils. But please, if you have pets, look up what essential oils you cannot use with them because you don't want an emergency vet bill. Most essential oils are harmful to cats, but just be mindful of like the main ones. Don't use them around your house. Don't diffuse the oil. Don't make your own cleaners with them and clean items that your cat might be rubbing against or whatnot. But you can put a few drops of like essential oils that aren't on the list of like detrimentally harmful to your animal in your cleaner because it's going to be so heavily diluted with water that it's not going to affect them the way it would like if they got in actual pure contact with it or if you put the oils onto their skin. Half and half this vinegar, half of water, and then drop some in there and then we will go get cleaning. I did 5 drops of bergamot. I wanted 4, but a 5th one fell in. And then I did that much vinegar, and then the rest will be water. My cleaning assistant here. Guys, I don't even want to talk about the sludge that just came out of here. Okay, the vinegar and baking soda definitely worked in there. That's all cleaned up. I just have to let it dry. And it worked somewhat here, but not enough. So I'm gonna see what other remedies I can come up with. time to sort all this laundry. Alright, I think this is as good as it's gonna get for now. I'm happy with that. Oopsie.